Hi, so we're looking at sums based on logic, puzzles. So set is given to you. So 8%. So first of all, Roddy format. Since there are 8% who are there in the building, so we know there are 8 floors. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how we have to arrange the people. Now let's try to put the data which is given to you. So lowermost is 1, top floor will be 8. Not more than one person lives in the same floor. Q lives on odd number floor below 6, but not at the bottommost. That means Q will stay on either 3 or 5 floor. Right? Then only 2% live between Q and P who lives above P. So since P lives above Q and there are 2 floors between, so it can be either 6 or 8 P living. The number of floors between Q and P is one more than number of floors between Q and S, who doesn't live adjacent to P, which means S has to be below Q, right? Because it's not adjacent to P. Because if it's above, it will be adjacent to P. So in which case S will be 1 and 1 or 3, right? This is what we have. Then there is only one person who lives between P and T who lives immediately below V. So one person lives between P and T. So T lives below V. So the only way is that all this, it has to be PVT. It cannot be anything else. Because if it is P staying below T, then even if it's 6th floor, T will be 8th floor, V will be 9th floor. Not possible because there are only 8 floors. So it has to be PVT. So P, V, T, and Q. Now, one way is just let's put the data which is there. Okay, we have two cases. So Q is first case, Q is third, P sixth, it is PVT, right? And S will be 1. Second case, just 2 floors above, PVT. Okay, then Q is on 5th floor, S is on 3rd floor, is what we have so far. Now we go to next condition. Not more than 2% live between U and R who lives immediately below W. So R lives immediately below W, and there are not more than 2 people between U and R. So the only possibility is W and R stays at the bottom out here, because R lives immediately below W, and there are not more than 2 people. That means U has to be here. So this is how we get the complete table. This is not possible, the first case. Now once you get the arrangement, now you can directly get the answer. 4 of the following are alike in a certain way, doesn't belong to a group. So WTU, so you have WTU, P and V, P and V. So if you look at all the even number floors except V, so V will be the answer. Which of the following floors R live? So R lives on the first floor. How many persons live between T and W? So T is on 6th floor, W is on 2nd floor. 3 people are living. So 3. If all the persons are arranged in alphabetical order from top to bottom, right? Then how many persons are unchanged in their position? So we're looking at top to bottom alphabetical position. So which means it'll be P starting with P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W. So you can make out only P is in the same position. None of the others are in the same position. So you get 1 as the answer. If P is related to T in the same way as Q is related to S. So if you get P and T, 1 gap, Q and S, 1 gap. And then U is related to. So if you look at U and 1 gap will be W. So answer will be D option. So once you've got the arrangement, the answers will be quick as possible. The key is to get the arrangement as fast as possible. Right? Thank you.